位置呢喺呢個炮台山站嘅康福台啊。I'm in Fortress Hill, and this is the Comfort Terrace. For those who have watched my videos about the King's Road, should have seen me walking past this street already. But I feel very interested to this special street with the shape especially, and I really want to take a look and see what's on there. OK， 咁我就一直咧都覺得呢一條街嘅形狀咧好有趣嘅。我成日咧都好想行上去望一望，到底會見到啲乜嘢。咁就好啦，咁咪行下啦，望一望上高先。So I will see. Let's go and see what's there. 上面有個亭嘅喎。哦，呢條路好特別喎，不過呢封咗。This staircase is very interesting, but it has been covered by the roots of this tree. I think there is another tree maybe over there, but it has been taken down. 我覺得呢依棵樹應該唔係嗰啲樹根，唔係淨係呢棵樹嘅，因為點解呢？我覺得個樹根好似咁粗壯呢，咁濃密呢，唔多似係淨係嗰棵咁嘅樹仔咯。留意到呢地下呢有啲水喎。I noticed there are some waters coming down from the hill.康福園、康福台 ，OK。哦，頭先個艇就係呢個入去嘅。Okay, the sitting area entrance is here. Okay, I will keep walking.咁就順便望一望呢度嘅樓景啦。So I will take a look at the buildings. At the meantime, what is happening here? The water is leaking out. 發生咩事呢？呢度係個水源嚟㗎，原來。 I'm not too sure, but I guess there is some kind of water leaking issues over there. 我唔肯定咩事啦，感覺呢似係有一啲可能係一啲水管爆裂啊咁樣啦，咁嘅狀況。哇！呢棵樹都有啲料到啊！ This tree is quite big. (2號 Comfort Terrace) 康福台2號啊！咁啊，呢邊都仲有一啲住宅嘅。Big Terrace 呢個係3號康福台 Number 3 of Comfort Terrace。 好啦，過馬路先。哇，咁得意架車。Oh, this car is so interesting. This vehicle is so interesting. 咁就望一望頭先 Peak Terrace 啦。康麗苑、康明苑、康和苑、Cornell Court、Cornwall Court and Green Court. OK。咁其實呢，我當然係好清楚啦。我行呢啲街道呢，冇乜人睇啊，冇乜收視啊。不過老實講，我為咗記錄香港而嚟拍攝㗎嘛，所以就係咯。前面係比利羅士。That is a very popular school, a girls' school. Bellos, I think the English name is Bellos. And here is the Tin Hau Temple Road.咁呢個呢，就係康福台嘅街尾啦。So this is the end of this Comfort Terrace. I'm not too sure, but what I think is it is quite comfortable here. It seems like high-end residential area. Maybe it's like mid to high end. OK， 好啦，咁我覺得呢度就好舒服嘅，其實感覺似係一個中上嘅住宅區咁樣啦。好啦，咁呢段片就嚟到呢度先，我要繼續由呢個天后廟道行過嗰邊先，我要落返去炮台山道嗰度落返去啊。好啦，下段片再見啊！ 下段片再見啦，拜拜。